Oh, old one coming. Red Lord, correct. F100. And there's a picture one coming. Patron. Another one coming, I think, guys. Yep. Old car. Oh, maybe not. The Sleeper's coming. Oh, Sleeper's getting an additional car behind it. And it's our 6, if I'm correct. Oh my god. That's a GTR. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's nice. That's 3. Now there's the GTR. Oh my god. The old Ford coming. There we are. Ooh, God. Aston Martin. Guys, there's an Aston Martin coming. Oh my god. Don't know which one, so don't even start asking me. Oh my. V8 Vantage. If I'm correct. It seems so quiet for some reason. Don't even know what this is here. What's that? Old door. Is it? Okay then. Heard these sound nice. That was okay. One current. M3 if I'm correct. Yeah, M3. RST. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's quite nice, to be honest. Haha.
There's the TV on that, but not back to
Huh? That's nice. Still nice. Coupe is quite rare. 1M M1 Coupe. Nissan. Was the M1 again? Nice. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I've got some space now. Nothing else. KTM. That was loud. I don't know what this is actually. Oh, there's another couple actually. That spoiler's massive. That's low. That was nice. This might sound good. Oh, there it is though. Floor it. That's out of there. Something else. Don't even know what it is. Oh, it's a Subaru. Oh, Mitsubishi actually. Evolution. What is? Do you know what that is? Huh? Tell you one thing, it's low. Thriller. Hopefully they don't get pulled over. That would just be annoying. Hey, he's waiting.
Just watch yourself.
I know. Nice. R32 going in. Jag coming out. And there's a TV, it's another TV out after that. Oh, Aston Martin DB7. I think. DB7. Yep, DB7. Caterham. Super, I think. Sure. No, it's not Caterham. V8. Is that number 6? Oh my god. Right. S4, I think. Yeah, S4. But it's a special edition of the S4, so. Go. Escort Cosworth coming up. His favourite car. And the Subaru. Nice. Caterham and an old Jag. Nice Range Rover there. Or S4 I mean again. Oh, another aerial lantern. 360. That's RS. Oh my god. God, that sounds nice. A Scania from my friend. Just from Julian. There we are. Just for you, Julian. I know you like Scanias. Honda NSX. It's quite nice to be honest. Hopefully it sounds good too. Sleeker or Supra. God, that sounds nice. So okay then. That sounded nice. Okay then. I don't know if this is part of the show, but no. Yeah, it definitely is. I don't know what's next. What's the SI? Okay then. Nice. Mustang. I know you like this one. So here we go. Nice. Floor it. Oh, I didn't floor it that much. See you guys in a minute. That's nice. Quite quiet, but hey ho. It's the end of part 2, and thank you for watching guys, and see you later.